Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks Part 2. I was a little confused on what they were wanting to do. They want the background to be removed from the letters and still have the back. So there's a white background, and you can see with my yellow bounding box. So I did not realize it was like that. I'm thinking they still want the blue here, so we're going to keep that blue. But I'm going to select all this, and I'm going to left click no fill and right click outline. And then now you can see that all the white is gone, all the blue is gone. We're going to take our smart fill tool and we're going to go up here to the eyedropper, and we're going to get, or to the smart fill, and we're going to grab the eyedropper and we're going to grab that blue. And now we can fill this in with blue, but don't forget to fill in the inner parts of the letters. So now it is the way I hope they want it. I just didn't realize there was a white background behind the letters. So this way the letters are transparent, because regardless of what color you make this box, you can't see it. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.